Alright, so yesterday afternoon I noticed this swarm way up in this tree. And so I'm going to try and catch it using this pole and bucket and putting it in this hive right here. So we're gonna suit up and we are gonna see how it goes. Alright, we are all suited up and we're gonna attempt to get these bees. I don't normally wear a suit, gloves, but I suspect based on the angle and the way I'm doing this, a lot of the bees are going to fall on me. So we're gonna be prepared. Right in my eye. See? This pole is too. Oh. Woo! It's going everywhere but the bucket. Up there. We're gonna let them settle a little bit. See if I can try again. I really needed a pole that didn't bend so much. There's a good amount still up there, it looks like. Take this off. Let's see if I can see a little better with my glasses on. Oh, there's still a whole bunch up there. All right, to be continued. Oh, hey fella, don't be mad. So we got a good amount flying around. They do seem to be coming here. We'll find each other. This is the place to be. This is the happening place. Come join us. Maybe I won't have to go back up there. I might have got the queen in there. These all just gonna follow naturally. be nice, wouldn't it? We'll see. This is good. Looks like they're coming rather than going. Oh, look, they're moving the leaf out. Isn't that cool? The leaf fell in. Oh, moving it out of their new home. Come here, Gia. Let me change up the decor here. No, the butts are in the air. I believe that's their homing signal. Saying, come on over. Come on over. They're all trying to get in the box, so I'm going to add a couple frames. These are not actually drawn comb. I'm drawing out my drawn comb to put in here, but this will give them some more space. Yeah, pretty sure I got the queen because they're all leaving that spot and coming over here on their own. Pull this. Seems to be less up there now. On their own. There's a couple steps. Look, they're not there anymore. They are settled. Got a couple stragglers. Which all have gone inside. So we are gonna hold it up for a few minutes. Let them settle. Alright, so all the bees are gone from their spot way up on the tree and are now in this hive.